so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, don't get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen. And this is just the beginning.
Hello mga kamags, manibagong episode naman tayo ngayon. Ngayon ulit tayo na makakamana kasi ngayon lang tayo nakauwi sa probinsya. Sa madaling araw naman tayo kasi kagabi lang ako nakauwi. Ang oras natin ngayon ay 2 AM ng madaling araw. Ito ang gamit natin mga kamags, yung pins, yung pana ko, at nakasit up na yung camera ko. Yun, yung pana ko na merong line. Yung camera ko nakasit up na. Dalawang flashlight kasi yung isa gamit ko pang video, yung isa, yung puti, pang sisid, yung range niya. Tayo kamags, dito tayo na sa dagat. Sobrang linaw. Dito lang tayo sa ating lugar, sa Barangay Lagonde. Yun, solo dive ko ngayon mga kamags. Let's go!
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Pace on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. It's how you get back up. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play.
Mga kabags, sobrang lapad. Thank you Lord. Lapad kabags oh. Dagit o balawis.
A few moments later.
Yan mga kabags, nahuli natin, kaunti lang. Pero okay na, libre na pang ulam. Isa, malaking balawis o danggit. Dalawa, tatlo, lapad na mga kamag, oh. Pang tinula, 4. Siguro ng sabaw, 5, 6. 7. 7 piraso lang naman.
1 hour later.
Ngayon kamag, sa magluluto naman tayo para makakain ng mainit na sabaw sa umaga. Yun, dalawang balawis, yung malaki o danggit, gawin nating tinula. Yun, at yung dalawang pusit, fresh na fresh, walang ice or yellow. Yan. Yan ang dalawang pusit, yung sabaw. Partida yan mga kamag, wala pang yellow o ice. Sobrang fresh cook. Yun. Usok. Lagyan natin ng malunggay para lalong may sustansya. Isang palwalan. Yan kamags. Yun o. Yan, kumukulo na. Yung may red pa. Yan kamags. Malapit na maluto. Yan mga kamags, kakain na tayo. Dito lang ako mga kamags. Salamat sa panonood at don't forget to follow my page Kamags TV at YouTube channel Magsman TV Vlog. Yan na kamags, thank you for watching. Yan, luto na, bakbaka na. Yan, bye bye. Kakain namin. Yun.